Bella, look. Bella, where's your dance? Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Woo! You do dance? Hey, everybody. We're so excited. I'm going to turn some T-Swift off. Bye, T-Swift. All right. Oh, no. You want it back? Okay, in just a minute, okay? We got to tell everybody. All right, so we are so excited. It is June. Feels like summer. I know, like, so many kids, everybody's like on like summer vacay or break from school and everything, which is awesome. My kids were asking for a swimming pool today for our backyard. Like a metal one with like really high sides. I was like, wow, I don't know about that. Anyway, we're gonna get a kiddie pool though so that they can totally hang out in the backyard, right? Yeah? Okay, so I just wanted to announce and share, throw it out there. Well, two things actually. First of all, like, this is my 6th month of doing a living as a business, and it has been just such an incredible blessing for me, for my family, and I'm not just talking about like money or whatever, but also just like, I don't know, emotionally, spiritually, I don't know, just like the whole like as a person kind of thing. It just brings me so much life and joy to share like my passion and heart with other people. So with that, I just want everyone to know, like, seriously, like, don't ever feel bad. Like, just tell me, like, if you want to like check it out or try something, or, you know, or join Young Living or whatever, like, I am happy to do that with you. Happy to welcome you into our community. But if you're ever like, oh my gosh, like, I don't know, or she's not going to be my friend if I say no, like, please don't ever feel that way. Like, for real, like, I'll totally still be your friend. And we can watch The Bachelorette together, and like we can go hang out together, you know, everything, seriously. Okay, so just with that, like, please know that, you know. Anyway, okay, so my second little thing is I just wanted to announce that, like, for the entire month of June, I am going to be doing $20 across the board, across like the whole month. I haven't done this. It's been like 7 or 8 months since the last time this happened, and I don't know when it's going to happen again, but I want to do it now just because, yeah, so much is going on. It's summertime. I've been talking to so many of you. There have been classes going on. I know so many people have like tons of questions, and I just want to like throw this out there. Like, if you're ready, I'm doing $20 cash back, you know, for the entire month of June, on the premium starter kit, which comes with the 11 oils. You guys have seen this. I'll post it below. You guys can check it out too. It also comes with a stress away. Stress away. Awesome. And then you also get like the 24% discount membership or whatever. You also get the Dewdrop, or you can pick what diffuser you want. I have the Dewdrop diffuser because it kind of like matches my home. Don't we match? Anyway, okay, so then on top of that, this is like even more exciting, is anybody who does enroll in the month of June is also going to be entered to win a second Dewdrop diffuser. Okay, like, what's better than one diffuser? Like 2 diffusers. This is like a $63 value, like whatever, like super awesome. Like, I wish I had one in every room in my house, and I'm working on that. Oh no, what happened? Do you want to take it away? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I just want to like give that to you too. Like, if you are enrolling this month or whatever, not only are you getting the $20 cash back on your premium starter kit, but you're also going to be entered to win a second diffuser for your home. Yeah, because I don't know, if you're like me, it's like, okay, like, we're great, we have it running in the living room, but also I want to put it in the baby's room, you know, while she goes to bed. Are you leaving me? See ya. Bye. Anyway, so yeah, like, I want to like give that to somebody this month. Yes, you want it? Okay, we'll talk. Let me know. Let me guys know. La, 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 la. Can't even like talk because Taylor Swift has my heart all pounding, working out. Anyway, okay, hope you guys all have a great weekend and enjoy this month of June.